What if one button on your iPhone could replace Siri and give you something way smarter? If you're using an iPhone 15 Pro or newer, listen to this. Apple still won't let us change the side button from Siri, but here's the smart workaround. You can assign ChatGPT to the Action button. Yep, one long press, and you're instantly talking to ChatGPT. No typing, no. Hey Siri, just press and speak. Here's how fast it is. Install the free ChatGPT app. Open Settings. Tap Action button. Go to Controls. Search for ChatGPT. Choose Open ChatGPT Voice. Done. Now, every long press launches a live voice conversation. And this isn't basic voice chat. With the latest update, ChatGPT keeps voice and text in the same conversation. So it remembers context, shows responses on screen, and talks back in real time. Even better, you can leave the app and the conversation keeps running in the dynamic island. That feels next level. Now, quick note, ChatGPT can't set alarms or control your system like Siri. But when it comes to thinking, explaining, and actually helping you, it's in a different league. One button, instant intelligence. If this tip save you time, hit like. Subscribe for more smart iPhone and Apple tricks. And welcome to iTech-Tale, where your iPhone gets smarter.